What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video, man. And in today's video, it's the day after Palantir earnings, and Palantir got hit, man. Now, first and foremost, it's not necessarily the company's fault because the company actually beat earnings and gave a blowout quarter. We raised guidance, which is great. We beat revenue expectations, but we met expectations on EPS, 13 cent versus 13 cent. That's kind of the reason they're doing this to us. People still concerned about the valuation, but the company's growing hand over fist, things going well. So, as the time is recording, we only up 28% year to date as opposed to 50 because Palantir got hit. You know what I'm saying? We still up on the year, still up all the time. Go through the positions. I'm going to show y'all why I got hit, what I did yesterday. So here we are. So, as you can see, market's on right now. So, we getting hit right now. I actually took $1,800 worth of gains from Palantir yesterday. Just in case something like this would happen, I may have had like $4,000 worth of calls. Probably took like half of that. So, as you know, the half we left is getting hit up. And I'm going to show y'all that position right now. So, as the time is recording, I actually just tried to buy the dip with this first call. Looks like I should have waited a little more in a day because we getting hit up some more. But I just bought this call for $3.90. The ones we just had getting spanked down 63%. All the close dated ones like 98% and everything. Got this 185 getting hit up. Everything's getting hit up right now. Palantir's at 109. So why am I not freaking out about that? Because the company has put up the numbers they need to put up. This is an earnings reaction. We were up 70% going into earnings. So for us to get hit a little bit on earnings because we didn't just have the craziest numbers, it's okay with me. So let's go through some of the other positions. And, you know, I'm going to talk about some things, but then I got to get to trading because the trading day is on as we speak. So the Tesla position, we still up on that. Bought a little bit of Tesla and a little bit of SPY yesterday with some of the Palantir gains we took. Still got Vistra, Walmart. Let's see. Nvidia, we're actually up 3% on Nvidia. The Nvidia put is down still. Let's look at Robinhood. Robinhood, we're actually up 7% on Robinhood. They didn't have... they're down right now, if I'm not mistaken. Either I need to check. They're down to 47. IBIT's flat. IBM's flat. Grab's still up. Amazon, Google, and flat. And Advanced Auto Parts did not make it. But I just wanted to give you guys this update. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all know what I'm doing with the earnings. Show y'all the results of an earnings gamble gone wrong. You feel me? So, you know, I think on this earnings, how much we get back? Let's see what we gave back. Look, 300. 6, 7, 8, like $1,000, like $1,000. But you know, we took like 2,500 in gains out of this account going into earnings. We still up, and we just took gains yesterday. So as an investor, sometimes you can't freak out. You got to read the numbers. Now, if Palantir said something crazy that would have had they stock like me not believing it anymore, I'd be getting out right now. But that's not the case. So what am I gonna do from here? I'm going to watch this position for the rest of the day. I'm going to see how hard it sells off. I might double down on this call I just bought because they got me down 21% as soon as I bought it. And I might actually buy some puts, maybe not on Palantir, but on the QQQ. Get back on my hedging. We still waiting on Trump deals. We still waiting on tariff decisions. We still waiting on Fed decisions. So the market's going to be a little volatile right now. But let's look at some little stocks, and I'm going to have to get to this chart. Let's see. So we got QQQ down 1% right now. Palantir's down 11.8%. They doing it to us. Stop loss is probably getting triggered. Margin calls probably getting triggered. Everybody who, you know, had all their money in them short dated calls, it's ugly for them. You know what I'm saying? Nvidia down 1.7. Tesla down 1.5. SoundHound down 3. Broadcom down. Apple's up a little bit. Let's see. What else is up? I want to see that Berkshire bounce back because it sold off yesterday because Warren Buffett retired. Which I can't blame him. Hims is up 11.75 on them earnings. That is good news, man. That's good news. I've been thinking about getting back in Hims. Y'all know we was playing Hims earlier, so I'm looking at that. I'm looking at that. And Nike. So the market's down with a few outliers right now. It's only 9:43 in the morning, so, you know, this could change at any time. But I had to give y'all an update. You know, I ain't want to wait all the way till close. I had to go and give y'all an update. Let's look at some charts. Let's look at this Palantir chart as it's unfolded. So it looks like, what do? We have had a sharp decline, a few candles. They trying to stabilize on the 2-minute, but you know us. When we thinking long term, we look at this daily. All right. So what did this do to us? knocked us from 125 to about the 109, 110 range. Now, the good news for us, we got multiple fair value gaps in this range. We got this one here. We got another one between 106, 104, and another one between 100 and 97. So provided the macro doesn't get bad, Trump doesn't do nothing crazy, I think one of these gaps, it could probably bounce off one of these gaps. Today's probably just an earnings reaction. And like I said, the quarter was good. So days like this, they're ugly, but a lot of times they're buying opportunities. Because if they missed and the stock was down 11%, that'd be one thing. But when they beat and the stock down 11%, sometimes you just got to ignore the red and buy. But, you know, that's enough Palantir talk for the day. Let's get to Tesla. As the time is recorded, Tesla is holding up pretty strong for a company that missed earnings, man. It's ironic. Palantir beat earnings, go down. Tesla missed earnings, went up, and been holding the gains. So they're below the 200. I don't like that still. Like I say, I'm feeling a lot of people when they say it might be some more pain to come. I might actually be buying some puts by the end of the day. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I don't like it under this 200. It does look like it could bounce here, though. At the 265 area, like this whole 270 to 260 area, it could bounce in there. If it break there, we could fall lower. But right now, I'm really concerned on macro. So last but not least, let's look at the QQQ. And I got to get on this chart. Let's see. So with the QQQ, same basic concept, but this is a little interesting. We fell below the 200, but we're actually in a fair value gap right now. So I'm very interested to see if we could bounce. We just had, what, a 9-day win streak, which was stopped by yesterday and today. So this is like our first 2 down days. We're going to see what happens, man. Anyway, it's your boy Steve from Pltr Gang Investments, man. These Palantir earnings was good, but the stock sold off. And you know, I'm going to be here to show y'all every position, everything that happened. We're going to be buying a dip, buying puts, adding the shares, doing what we always do best. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.